writing, when Munshi Premchand is writing, he's writing for the world. He's also as much as he's writing for himself. When you're confused, one of the things I would say always that when you're confused, all children, all of you should have a diary. Then you should write a diary. Like we've lost the art of writing letters. Earlier we would write postcards, or we would write letters on a page, or a beautiful page. We would make drawings and send to our friends. Earlier we newspaper, newer cards or Christmas cards, Diwali cards, we used to try design ourselves and draw ourselves. Now you put it on WhatsApp and the same thing you share, you forward the same damn thing. There's no originality in it. We think we are original, but we are actually the most copycats we can be, because digitalization has made us mediocre and copycats. But there's no originality. Originality is when you make your own drawing and give it to your best friend. And you're writing a letter to your mother and telling her about things. That how you, earlier you would go on a train journey and write about the train journey. Or what's the first experience in the airport? Or how do you look at a sea? And how do you understand the sounds of the forest in the night? Because the thing, the forest in the night will be quiet, but the forest in the night is the most chirpy and talkative creature. The forest is a very talkative creature in the night. The leaves are talking, the bark is talking, the creatures are talking. There's so much of movement. Even the birds make sound in the night. It is not that the birds are sleeping in the night of the forest. And then of course you can hear the rivers bubbling around the forest. And then the bark, the tree, the falling leaves, the huge amount of sound.